Hey guys, welcome to Guys in the Ozarks. So, just messing around today. Had to work part of a day today, but on the way home, I thought I'd stop off here at Eagle Watch Nature Trail, and we do a little walking around. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So we're walking down through here. Not sure there's going to be a whole lot to see. Just looking at the map. Witch hazel. We're just right off of the highway here, and this doesn't look like it goes back too far, but it's free. It's on the way home. What do we got here? Looks like like all the other nature trails, they've got trees marked. I've had to cut several of them down, looks like. So that kind of sucks. Oh, that sucks. There was a willow tree. So, looks like there might be a little creek that runs off there. I don't know if you guys can. There's a sugar maple that they've had to cut down. There is eagles down here. I know they posted a couple weeks ago. They had a thing down here, and they spotted 2 pairs down here. So maybe we'll get lucky. I believe they have a little observatory down here, or pavilion. So maybe we'll get down here and service berry. I'm not familiar with that one. Be nice if that was sparkleberry. I'd love to see that because I've never seen it, and I'd like to know what it looks like. Let's see what else we got here. A tulip. They got a good path down through here. I don't know what they've got down, but it's very comfortable on the feet. It's not rock, I know that. Can't read what that one is. Guys, that's one thing I really don't know very much about is trees. I know some of the oaks, and birch, tulip poplar, stuff like that. And there might be some tulip poplar here where there's this little creek. Black gum. I am familiar with that enough to know that you don't want to bust it up for firewood. That stuff is hard as a rock. Oak tree. I'm just showing you this stuff they've got marked as we go along because I figure y'all are tired of hearing me yakking. So guys, I'm just filming with a selfie stick here, so I don't know how good the audio is going to be. Oh, we got some stuff in the way here. River birch. Yes, sir. Well, there you go. That is river birch, folks. And you see it's got these little pieces here. They're just like got these little pieces here just like paper, and that stuff's will build a fire real quickly. All right, guys, so I'm gonna sit down here and see if I can't move some of this stuff off of the trail a little bit here. Cleaned up a little bit. I mean, I didn't get all the little pieces, but I got the big pieces out of the way. So I think we're almost back here to the pavilion. Now, the power plant for this area is back over there. Actually, if you look Actually, if you look over there, you can probably see the tower. Big old black walnut here. It's not looking too awful healthy. But yeah, if you look there, you can see the tower there for the power plant. And then they have like a discharge lake there that you can see. And if we can get over there, we'll try to walk down there. Let's just see what else we can find first. I don't think they really have anything marked over this way. Maybe there's one way over here that they have marked. Persimmon. Yeah. So I guess they do have some access back here to another little pavilion. So we'll walk down that way. Maybe we can get a better view of the lake anyway. We walked past one pavilion. We'll go back and take a look at it here in a little bit. What do we got here? Bald cypress. Yeah. That's a pretty neat looking tree. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There's a nest up there. Alright guys, so we're down here at the pavilion. Guess we'll go up there and see what kind of a view. We got a lake and kind of a decent view here. I think we'll walk down to the lake actually here in a little bit. Oh, they got all kinds of stuff up about different types of animals, birds and stuff. It's kind of cool. Got a little picnic table. Looks like I got some more trail back that way. Maybe we'll check that out. Yeah, I guess this ain't too bad. Let's see what we can do about getting a decent picture of the lake. Alright, so I'm not going to walk down there. After looking at it, I don't think I'm going to walk down there to the lake because that looks just a touch on the soggy side. But what we are going to do is we're going to walk out through here and see what we can see. What do we want by a butternut hickory? That's kind of cool. There's a couple of those trees I didn't get any decent. I didn't show you the whole tree. I'll try to do that on the way. honey locust. Back up a little bit. Guess this would be better if it was a little closer in springtime instead of the end of winter. I tell you what, it don't. The last couple of days, it hasn't felt like February. It's felt more like March, end of March. It was 70-something degrees yesterday. Today it was, I think it's right at 60. I mean, I'm in the hoodie and I'm almost hot. Redbud. I guess most of you guys have probably seen a redbud before. Well, I have. This trail is definitely not as defined as the other one, but still very easy. This would be a good spot for kids. You know, it's a real easy walk. No big changes in terrain or anything like that. To be honest, it's not bad for an old man, I guess. After he worked part of the day. This is kind of surrounded by some farms and stuff. If you listen close, you can still hear the traffic coming off the road. Oh wow, that's cool. I see something that's really, really cool. Let me get y'all out here so you can see it. Let me see. There we go. I think we're going to take a picture of that one for a screensaver. Or not a screensaver. We're going to have to take a picture of that one for a thumbnail. Now, they got a sign up in front of it, but I don't think the little placard thingy is on there anymore. Nope. I sure would like to know what that was, though. What kind of tree that is. That is just really cool. The way it's all been around and stuff. I guess these vines have kind of pulled it down, you know, made it grow like that. Very, very cool. Well, no, not really, because I don't see any vines on that piece over there. Yeah. Anyway, let's mosey along, I guess. Stop and get a drink of water. Get thirsty. So well, guys, I've about run out of anything to talk about. Imagine that, me running out of anything to talk about. So we'll just check things out. Well, that's a pretty old tree right there. Guys, once it gets springtime and I get some vacation days again at work, we'll do a little traveling where we can see some better spots. I'll take y'all down to Natural Falls over in Oklahoma, and we'll take a trip down to the National Forest, and I don't know where all we'll get to, but we're gonna go see some places for sure. All right, so it looks like we're back up here, kind of where we were at before. Yep. Good, I didn't really have to use my sense of direction at all. Yeah, I know, guys, I'm sorry. Dad jokes, right? All right, guys, so I'm gonna get off here and I'll holler back at you when we check out this other pavilion. So here's one of them trees I missed when I was walking in. This is Osage orange, and I don't know that I've ever seen it before. Thought you guys might want to. There's another one right beside it there. So there's one of those trees I didn't show you on the way in. Well, I think I showed it to you on my tripod setup. Wiggles a lot, don't it? Still wiggles. Sorry, guys. Oh, this was the walnut tree. And that fella there is about half dead. I wouldn't be surprised if that makes it too many more years. So this is the oak tree that we walked by earlier. And then this one, my eyeball's good enough to read that. No. Oh yeah, that's the black gum. So this is the black gum. I really wish they would leave. It was a little bit later in the year where it was leaved out, so you could see better. Maybe we'll come back down here one of these days, and look at them when they're all leafed out. Good. Well, a little better than what I thought it would be. You know, kind of neat. Not a long hike, but you know. Well, guys, we're almost back up to the car, so we get back up there, I'll holler back at you. Hey guys, so I shot an outro for this, but unfortunately all it caught was the dashboard. So guys, appreciate y'all watching, all the likes and everything. Can't say it enough, guys. Thanks a lot. So this place is at off Highway 12, about 4 miles out of Gentry, Arkansas, if y'all want to check it out. So this is Matt for Two Guys in the Ozarks. Thanks again for everything. Remember, guys, get out there and fall in love with your wilderness like me and Kyle fell in love with the Ozarks. I'll see y'all next time.